Cookies are a key part of digital marketing, and to be successful with any digital marketing campaign, you need to be utilizing cookies correctly. The problem is privacy laws keep cookies from being utilized the way that they should be, especially with the out-of-the-box tracking tools from these ad platforms. GA4, Facebook's conversion API, they're both great at helping to track some user data, but to be able to know exactly who that client is in terms of their ability to purchase now or later or to hire you for that service, you need to be utilizing cookies in a way that captures more information. And that's why server-side cookies are important, because that gives your website first-party cookies that can't be taken away from browsers and ad platforms.